Creative playing with my friend, and look, we have a new glitched gun in the game. It is the flashlight. It doesn't have. It's just flashlight pistol. That's all it says, unless it's already a gun in the game. It's got a flashlight on it. It's just like a regular pistol with a flashlight on it. Sorry. Is it an actual gun in the game? Oh, that's weird. See how it does in the actual game. Does 26 damage, 6.75 fire rate, 16 magazine size, and 1.3 reload. It's weird. Either it's glitched or it's a new gun. Alright. See, that's good. Alright. Let's check it. Alright. Anyways. Alright, so when you zoom in, the flashlight, the creature turns on. See how many shots it takes to destroy one build. Alright. One. Hey, no. Dude, stay. Ready? Really? I'll take away your options. Alright, just let me do this. 1, 2. Really, buddy? Come on. I wish I could add sound to this. Alright. One. That one's not even a full one. Of course it's not. Alright. Why is that wall 150 and this floor is 140? Alright, anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Takes 6 shots to destroy a wall. Oh, my big gate. Hey, what'd you do? You destroyed my gate, bruh. Don't destroy it. I'm gonna kill you. Kidding. Don't destroy it, okay, please? If you want to destroy it, I'll switch it into regular game mode. Anyways, let's see if there's any other guns that are new in this game. Oh, that are actually glitched. Let's see. No, not that I think of. What 1v1? Fine, well 1v1. Alright, fine, well 1v1. Okay? Alright, let's just go finish the chests. Yeah, I am. I'm still recording. I'm gonna record as a 1v1. I'm gonna say new gun plus 1v1. Alright, where's all blue guns? Yeah, we're gonna do all blue. How do I delete my inventory? No, not drop. Let's see. Chest. Alright, what are we gonna get? All blue, right, Tristan? Or add the new flashlight. No, I'm really just gonna add what I really want, dude. That's all I'm gonna add from blue. The new pistol, the shotgun, that. What else? Silenced SMG. Let's see. Dual pistols. How much of that? So I just need one more. I need a sniper, dual pistols. I'm gonna go with the sniper. Okay, and then, actually, let's just check it real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the sniper instead, and I'm gonna put in, choke splash. Nope. The new shield bubble. Then after that, I'm going to put in. Is that showing up clear? Yep. Let's see. Where should I put in? Where is that? No. We're just gonna play. We're just gonna play, okay? Yeah, I'm recording. How many times do I have to say? And I'm recording. No. Wow. Alright. By the way, guys, my friend hasn't played in 2 months, and we'll see how good he is. Plus, alright, ready? Delete all this, dude. I don't want that here. You can build this later. It's not like you're having a giant freaking. Where'd your chest go? The hell? You can just take stuff from mine, okay? I'll just copy mine. You have it? Okay. You ready? We're starting my island. Should be good. Let's go. I just hope that the camera's showing up clear. Yeah, Infinite Ammo's on. I'm just hoping my camera's showing up stuff is clear because I'm just using my phone. I'm just checking it right now. Hey, no, not yet. No, I'm just checking to see if everything's showing up clear. It's gonna be a lot clearer on my screen, but for them, the camera's not gonna be as clear. Anyway, let's go. Hopefully it gets everything. Yeah, that was a fail. Dang it, I didn't get that. What the is that, this guy? I have the high ground now. Where'd you go? Oh, yeah, that's right. That's what I forgot. Shield bubble. You just leave? I hope you didn't just leave. We should go up. There we go. But you did leave, you're a liar. I should turn on full damage. Because I know how to waterfall now. Well, I knew how to waterfall like a couple months ago. While you were in Utah, since two or 3 months ago, I learned how to use waterfall because I never really used that. Like I used it once and I was like, yeah, I'm done, because I didn't know how to do it. Yeah. I don't know, I'm just building. Where are you? Oh, you're on my yacht? No, you're not. Fighting my bubble. Stay in my bubble. I'm gonna try and use this new gun to kill you. I'm probably gonna fail. Right above you. Can you not see? There we go. Now I'm going back up to high ground, bro. I'm not playing this game. Try me now. Wait, I just put that over you? Oh, dang it. Where are you? Where are you? No, for real, where are you? I'm at the very bottom of the shield bubble. Now I'm out of it to the right. No, I'm out of it. Oh, I think I see you. Well, it's pretty much like the blue version of a pistol, just with a flashlight on it. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Found you. What, do you have choke splashes or something? What'd you heal? What'd you heal with? Oh, I was gonna place a spike trap and then walk it. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. I'm kidding. I totally thought that would work. I should just actually. Why? I don't know. I don't want to kill you right now. Feeling like it. Feeling like it. If you destroy the gate, I'll kill you. Hey, how's that build still up? I'm just shooting. Move out of my way. I was trying to shoot it and you were in the way, dude. I'm being serious. Alright. Is it almost destroyed? Oh, we're doing this? Remember, you have to build one regular. You have to go up one regular, then you can do your double. So you can just hit this and it's gone. Dude, it's a way closer. It's just this. It's this. Just a frame right here. Come on. Alright. I'm just showing this. You do. Alright, ready? I'm on the right side. Ready? Yeah. I'm just going up to high ground. I'm probably just gonna be flexing building really well, and then I'm just gonna get shot from nowhere. See? Told you. Trying to hit me now, huh? Huh, punk? Oh, I just went out of the shield bubble. I'll place as many as I want, bro. Ah. I think I just... Where are you? Oh. Oh yeah, the shield bubble. The shield bubble is covering you. I thought you said you had no health. I thought you said you had 16 health. How'd you get shield? Choke splash? Ugh. Where'd you go? Gotcha. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so how many is it to win? How many kills? I got one, you got one, right? So how many are we doing until we win? You know you can stack these shield bubbles, bro. It's really cool. You stack them. Stack them. Anyways, let's destroy this. I would have to, oh, I forgot to put, no. I'll just have to kill myself. You gotta give me some shields, actually. Just give me your shields, and then I'll just switch you. Or you can kill me, and then I'll kill you, so we both have 2. So that would just work. Alright, we're ready. Probably think I'm talking too quiet for the camera, so it's not gonna pick me up. Oh yeah, the new gun's so great, so easy to get kills. Woo! Easiest kill of my life. Woo! I'm doing so good. I'm the best Fortnite player ever. Not. I know. I'm just kidding. I'm not the best Fortnite player ever. I'm probably like pretty trash. Oh, we're destroying that. Get on the other side, bro. Dang it. Alright, ready? Yep. Yep, I'm ready. What do you got? Combat? Gun's pretty trash. How does I get killed by it? Oh, let's go. Dude, I just hit you once with... I have 27 health left. I just hit you once with this shotgun, and then I switched and I just started spamming you, and then I just, boom, quick tap. Dude, you haven't played in a while, so... Dude, you got shields. What's your problem? You have shields, I don't. Or if I did, I would have shielded up, bro. Yoink. Well, I have no health, but okay. I really want to switch to shield bubbles for something else, bro. Keep spamming them, I don't care. Yeah, they're like 3 together. Alright, give me it. Give me it. Switch. It's my turn to do it, remember? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! What the hell? Why don't I have any? Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, I was just about to shoot you. I was like, I went to click shoot, and it just didn't work. It was like, what is going on? Yeah. So 5 kills until you win? Ooh, my camera is like not catching it right now. It's like going really slow. I gotta check